and welcome to Bella's Credit Corner. My name is Bella, and here on my YouTube channel we focus on credit, finances, and money management. So today is actually Fix My Credit Friday. Now if you are new to my channel, this is a segment where I take a question from one of my social media followers or one of my coaching clients and I feature my answer here on YouTube. So recently during an Instagram live, someone in the audience did ask me about secured credit cards. So they wanted to know if secured credit cards could actually help them improve their credit score. So this was definitely a great question that I would like to feature in today's episode because as someone who has had bad credit, secured credit cards were instrumental in me repairing my credit. Now, before I jump into today's video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when my future videos are posted on YouTube. So let's take it back to the basics for a quick second. So first we'll talk about what is a credit score. Then we'll go into what are secured credit cards. So a credit score is basically a financial grade that is given based on a formula. Now this formula will look at a number of metrics in order to calculate your credit score. So here in the US, the most popular credit score is called the FICO score. This is the main score that banks are going to look at when you do in fact apply for credit. So let's walk through how a FICO score is actually calculated. So if you look at this pie chart, this shows you how a FICO score is actually calculated. So 35% of your score is based on your payment history. 30% of it is based on amounts owed, also known as utilization. 15% is based on the length of your credit history. And 10% is based on how much new credit you currently have. And the other 10% is looking at the types of credit that you have, meaning do you have a mortgage, do you have a car loan, do you have student loans, things like that. So now let's talk about what are secured credit cards. So secured credit cards are basically like any other credit card with one exception. You as the consumer must send in a security deposit to the bank before they will actually issue the credit card to you. Now, the reason why the bank is going to require this is because you either have no credit, a thin credit profile, or you have a poor credit history. Now, they will hold on to your security deposit as collateral in the event that you do not pay your debt back to the bank. Now, what will usually happen is the security deposit or the amount of it will become your actual credit limit. So for example, if you send in $500 as your security deposit, the bank will issue you a credit card with a limit of $500. Now the great thing with secured credit cards, the account and the activity will be reported to all three credit bureaus. So let's discuss the 3 reasons why secured credit cards can be a great way to improve your credit scores. So reason number 1, this is going to be a new account, a new trade line that gives you the opportunity to have a fresh start to prove your credit worthiness. Now, as long as you use this card responsibly, you will see an improvement in your credit scores, which leads me to reason number 2. Now, if you continue to use your card responsibly by making your payments on time, keeping your utilization low, this information will be reflected on your credit report. And over time, you will see an improvement in your credit scores. Because let's not forget, 65% of your FICO score is determined by your payment history and your utilization. Now, the third reason why secured credit cards can help you improve your credit scores is because it gives you the opportunity to build a positive relationship with the bank. Now, as you use your card responsibly over time, the bank can in fact change the status of your card from secured to unsecured. Now, once they do that, they will send your security deposit back to you. And depending upon the bank, you may have the opportunity to upgrade this card to one that earns cash back or travel rewards. Now, depending upon the bank, when you do the upgrade, it will usually also include a credit limit increase. Now, of course, it will also depend upon your scores at the time and your income. But in the event you do get that credit limit increase, that will then automatically reduce your utilization, which will then in turn improve your credit scores, which is right, the ultimate goal. Now, I know for myself personally, I definitely benefited from using secure credit cards when I was working on improving my credit scores. So let me know in the comments below, have you used secure credit cards? And if you have, did you have a good experience, maybe a bad experience? I'd love to hear your feedback. Now, as always, everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.